Hey guys, and welcome to another vlog with me, Nabiilabee. And today I'm going to be talking about, well actually this is gonna be a vlog, a baby vlog. I'm here at home, it's just me and Mia alone today. Say hi! Say hi! Hi baby, say hi! Good girl. Okay, she just waved hello. So this Mia's now almost 6 months. And I wanted to show you the pram that I have been using the majority of the time, and how like you can change it up and the things you can do. Also, the reason why I'm doing this is because a lot of mums DM'd me on Instagram and asked me about like how I'm getting on, and like they asked a few questions, so I thought I'd answer them. So the first pram that I ever got was this, and it's the Silvercross Wave, and it looks like this. It's got big wheels, and that's something I only learned after I had a baby. So with a pram, make sure that it fits in your car, because I didn't think of that. However, I didn't have an issue with this pram, because this pram was the pram that I basically took while I was going to town, and it was stuffed because I don't drive. This was perfect for me because I just walked everywhere in it, and I did so much walking in the first few months, which was amazing, and it was perfect for me. Also, I love how big and sturdy it was, because it was just perfect for me. And you know, with your new pram, you don't want it to be flimsy and stuff, especially because you don't really know much. So yeah, this is what it looked like, and this is the one with the carry cart. And then I also you see on my Instagram, I used to take the carry cart off and put the car seat in whenever I was traveling, and use that. The car seat, like, the fact that I can attach onto the pram is amazing. I love how sturdy this whole pram is. It's so amazing. But obviously, little baby you don't use this anymore, do you? So I'm gonna basically attach the pushchair thing. What is it called? I'm not sure what it's called. The tandem, I think it's called. Anyway, I'm gonna attach it and show you guys what it looks like on. This is amazing. I love this. This is great for when little babies are sleeping. And then like you can attach and detach this. There's a handle that you can, you know, pick it up with. They can sleep in this during the day. They can sleep if you're going anywhere, they can sleep comfortably in this. She actually still fits in there. It's just that she doesn't use this anymore. And it's actually so easy to take off, which I've shown in my last video. You just go like this, and then I'm just gonna put it there. Now I'm gonna get the other bit. Right, here is the seat, and it's already got things, so it should just pop in like this. There we go, nice and easy. There she is. So there's her in the pushchair. That's what it looks like. And then, so covered it up like that, and there we go. Super nice, super sleek design. I love how this looks. It's just great, and it's so beautiful. I just love the design of this. It's absolutely gorgeous. And also, actually, this bit comes, there's like an extra bit that comes out some more. Where is it? Here it is, there. So even more, if the baby's sleeping and you want more shade on the baby, there we go, like that. Gorgeous. Anyway, this is basically the pram that I used the most with her, and I got the most wear out of. Oh, also it's supposed to have a handle there. Need to attach that. But yeah, that's basically it really. A lot of people just wanted to know the pieces and what it looked like, because I did a really fast assembly before, but just wanted me to talk about it. This is my thoughts. I really love it. Now having a baby, it's like I actually know, and I think prams are like, it's like the baby's car, isn't it? It's like their own car. So it's quite important that it ticks all your boxes that you're looking for. Like for me, because I don't drive and I take this pram on walks, and it does fit in our boot anyway, but most of the time I'm like going to town, I'm going to the park, like I'm walking with it. So it's really, really good for that. Like the wave, the silvercross wave is great for lots of walks. It's also another thing that I loved about it is it's really easy to like, okay, when I'm like shopping or not, yeah, like when I'm shopping to like lift it, like it's quite easy because of the big wheels. And also like on ramps and pavements, stuff like that, it glides over things really, really smoothly. It's really smooth. It's also got stabilizers in the front, so it's really easy to drive. Whereas if you've got a pram with much smaller wheels, it's harder. And because of where I live, the pavements are like, they're kind of all over the place, and we have a lot of like cobblestones, and we have a lot of like little like stones. So this pram is amazing for that, and it's nice and easy, especially because I'm so small. It's just an easy ride. Whereas I found with like other prams, it's very like, you're literally going like that, like no joke. Like with, I've tried it, I've got so I've got like the Duna, and the Duna is really like, it's really difficult, especially if the baby's sleeping. It's very like wibbly wobbly. So that's a thing to like decide when you're buying a pram. Are you mostly in the car? Are you just using it for shopping? Like I feel like there's a different pram for different things. That's also why I love this wave, because I really got to experience it with the carry cart. Because not all prams come with a carry cart, some prams come with just the car seat. And also don't forget, you can't have your baby in a car seat constantly for hours at a time. They should only be in it for 30 minutes each time. So that's why I love this, because I got to basically swap around depending on what I needed and all that kind of stuff. And also it's keeping her really quiet. Like she's really enjoying playing in there, aren't you, baby? You enjoying it down there? Another thing I wanted to mention, because I do have another silvercross pram, is that what I really love about silvercross is basically with their prams, they have like different adapters, and like this is just one. There's like different ones for different like stuff, like, you know, the carry cart doesn't have one, this seat doesn't have one, but the car seat does. And basically with the car seat is, depending on which pram you get, you can get adapters for that pram, so that then you can attach the car seat on any one of your prams, which is so handy. Like I can't tell you how amazing that is. And that literally saved me, because I was able to just stick the car seat on whatever pram I needed at the time. So that's another thing. And I don't know whether other brands do that, but it's a really helpful tip. But we are now, what we're gonna do, Nasmia, what are we gonna do, baby? So I think I'm gonna go have some dinner. What are you gonna do? Are you gonna play? Are you gonna play on the floor? Yeah? Do you wanna play? She's not being her best self this evening. She's been so good all day, mashallah, but she hasn't been that good by herself. Like I was filming a video earlier and she was not very happy with me. What was I gonna say? So she's 5.5 months now, and she loves to play on the floor. So she's just got, I've just put like a little rug and then a few blankets on top and some toys, and she just plays in that and she loves it. Don't you? Don't you? Where are you trying to go? I'm about to have dinner. What am I gonna have? I'm either gonna have roast beef slices with a bagel, or what else do I have? I'm trying to think what else I have. Oh, I've got half a chicken left over from yesterday, but I don't know if I want to have that. Oh, actually, while we're on the topic of baby stuff, let me show you my favorite baby food. So basically, I am currently giving her Ella's pouches, and I absolutely love them. They have saved me completely, because they're just so easy to use. Let's see, where are we? Where are you? Is that you? So yeah, this is basically what I'm using, and it's these Ella pouches. Wait, Ella Kitchen pouches, and I love these. So what I do, so she's 5.5 months. She's been eating since she was 4 months, and I have a bunch of these basically. So there's kind of there's like 2 ranges for 4 months, from 4 to 6, and it's like, well, actually there's like 4 ranges, but the 2 that she really likes is, the first one is vegetables, but then there's like a mix of a fruit or 2 fruits. Like this one has sweet potatoes, pumpkins, apples and blueberries, which looks like this, and this is one of her favorite ones. And she usually, so I usually give her something, so around 12 o'clock, between 12 and 1, I give her one of these, and squash, sweet potatoes or parsnips is also one of the favorite of hers. So this is like just vegetables. So I like to give her this at 12 o'clock, and then in the evening she'll eat again at around 6. So she just ate, and I literally just picked this up for her. This is strawberry and apples. This is more of a dessert, but it still fills her up. So I'll either give her this, or I'd give her something like strawberry, rhubarb and apples. That's quite similar. And she just had this one, the mangoes, pears and papaya. These pouches are amazing, and they save me so much hassle because she's really fussy. She is so fussy. Like, yeah miss, you, talking about you. She's so fussy with food that like the Ella's Kitchen is the only thing she likes to eat, and also Mamia she likes to eat, but I haven't really seen it where I shop, so I've been getting those. And then today I tried the baby organic rice, and I basically pumped I expressed some milk, and then I mixed it with the baby rice, but she didn't really like it. It was a little bit too watery. I tried putting it in a bottle and getting her to drink from the bottle. She wasn't having any of that. She's like, bottle, what is this? She doesn't take a bottle still. So yeah, still's not taking a bottle. I'm gonna leave those there so that they're ready for tomorrow. This will be her lunch for tomorrow. And then, so I discovered this amazing pump. Well, actually I got it sent to me, but just because I got it sent to me doesn't mean it's any less amazing. So I got this LV pump, which looks like this, and all you do is this. And also another thing, basically this, like nothing, if you've got milk in here it won't spill because there's a lid on it, which is so amazing. So there we go. And then this is the pump, and the reason why I'm mentioning the pump is because I actually had so many moms ask me about this and whether this was good, because it is a bit pricey. Let me tell you, this pump is amazing. If you're thinking of basically expressing, then this is your guy. This is what you need, because it is that good. I'm trying to find like an angle here that works, but I guess I'll just have to hold it up. Okay, so this is so amazing. It's definitely worth the money. It works amazing. A lot of people were worried that the what's it called, the suction, it won't be strong enough. By the way, actually, because they were saying that, I put it on the high setting and then I had to turn it down because I was like, oh, this is too strong. So it's amazing, and it does have a really amazing power. I expressed pretty much more than half today in like maybe 3-4 minutes, which is amazing. I think it's the best pump ever. I've got the man pump, but this is just amazing, and this is great on the go. You just slot it in and you're ready to pump, and it's so great because I was just going around like heating up food, getting stuff ready while I was expressing, and I was done, and I don't have to sit there and hold it, which was always a problem because I had to keep stopping and it was just so uncomfortable. And honestly, the whole experience, like, it put me off expressing, but this has got me back into it. Like, I want to express all the time because of this little bad boy. And also it's amazing for travel, and inshallah I'm gonna be traveling, so when I'm not with the baby I'm gonna need this to express. So yeah, that's it. I think this is the end of my vlog. Enough baby talk for today. To be honest, I can talk about babies all day and give you guys tips all day. Oh yeah, don't. Okay, basically half of that is clean and half of that is dirty. Haven't done the dishes because I've been busy. Like I said, this meal was a bit difficult this evening, so I've just been with her and she wanted me to hold her all day. But what can you do? Anyway, so I'm gonna go, guys. That's it. You losing patience? She's losing patience. So yeah, assalamu alaikum. Bye, guys.